People, look there. Long time not see the river come over. Look at that. You see this man, when they come down here, how he did low? Look at that. Boss, you can't pass. Come here, try to cross, but he's not going to make more sense. But you have to just turn back. Watch him, man. Wow. As you can see, the river dig out here, so. Look at the tree there, so if you want it. Man, the big old tree down there. People look at the heavy water. You saw the river come down, people. Watch it. The water you joined it pour on this. Right now, if they don't start build the bridge, the whole thing I got landslide off. You see it? You saw the dirt I eat off people. Look over there. So. Look how far it reach at the shop right now. So our next set of rainfall, the whole of this will collapse. And if you wonder which river this is the Hectares River. Okay. So we're looking at Manchester over there. That roads lead you to Nizer River, Courage Park, Balaclava, all these places. And over here is Trelawny, alright? So you know the river divide. Yeah. I see we can go closer. Yeah, I've go closer, people to get a good shots. People are not bad at about the river go wash me away. I'm a great swimmer, people. These river water I usually live in when I'm a little boy. So we usually catch fish every day at the river. So more time we at the river, the river just come down and we have to just make case come out of the water. So you know what I mean? So don't be scared, people. I'm very experienced. Alright? So now see we can get that. You hear that, people? Watch your people. Whole place a collapse. We just move on there, you know? Just move on there, people. Pay loose dirt. In no time this will collapse, people. Right now, a trespassing on somebody back here. Alright, so we're going to see if we get a closer shot, alright? Be a loose dirt there, so people. Alright, so we're going to get a closer shots now. But I don't know how they might build this bridge because there's no banking left, people. Look. I think they might go draw a different plan. Because the whole of the banking they might eat off. I don't know they might construct it, trust me. People have non-stop rain down here. As you can see, the tree hold the soil right there, as you can see. See the tree root there where them cut. So you know, so if I never the tree hold this out, that no matter, as you can see, people. So you get tall people, you say rise up, and if I rise more, you can really keep on falling. First time you see cow wash and goat. I'm going to get wild shots now, right now. That's a ready for collapse anytime, you see? Ready for collapse anytime. So I'm going to move to a different location. I think we might go on a riverside and see how the condition over this there. So I'm going to move to a different location, alright? Some people are still at the, this is where the Courage Park Bridge is, okay? As you can see, work hold up, there's no work can take place. So I'm going to say we can move to a different location right now, alright? Okay. People, we're at a different location right now. So right now we're at Bottom Shudley, in between Bottom Shudley and Troy. Alright? Yeah. So as you can see, that was the old-time bridge. This is where the first bridge was. So it did low people. That's the first bridge. And they abandoned it and put this one up here. Alright, so you saw how tall this one be. So they're at a different location right now. Go up a shuttle right now. Alright, you see it? They were clean, you know. You see no whole of debris or log on them something. Big tree on it something. You kind of calm, you know. So that little pipe you see there, that was the first bridge. Right there.